Okay, part 2 of how to use iNaturalist. The other option here is that you can, use your camera to take photos of anything, anywhere, without having to be connected to the internet. So I'm going to take a picture of this beautiful green lichen here. Bam. Then, next time I'm around Wi-Fi, which I'm still not, but that's okay. I can hit observe and then click the photo icon, and that will allow me to choose the photo I've taken, and then we go through the same process. Hit next. Don't forget the what did you see, and if you have no idea, you can just hit the look up species by name. I'll just put in lichen. Okay, so this is a really broad identification, fungi including lichens. And I happen to know that I can connect this one to a project, which can be helpful in that other people might look at it and help me identify it. And that's what would be called a traditional project. Some others are collection projects, like the Wayne National Forest BioBlitz. So that means if you have an observation within the project boundary, it'll automatically collect it, so you don't have to select the project.